Carinthia. What a wonderful place to live, work, to start a new journey. Feel invited to unleash the potential of Carinthia, your gateway to high-speed logistics. Carinthia is the logistics hub of the future, just 350 kilometers from Munich, 185 kilometers from Trieste and Koper, and a scenic 85 kilometers from Ljubljana. Cutting-edge Koralmbahn railway, a symbol of green mobility, connects key European destinations, reducing travel times and giving rise to a dynamic economic zone. Bringing Graz and Klagenfurt closer together. Welcome to the Baltic-Adriatic Corridor. Europe's first rail customs corridor between Trieste and Villach accelerates cargo transit by reducing delivery times. Get your goods directly from the ship to the railway towards Villach South, and save 2 days on deliveries from Asia, bypassing the delays of North Sea ports. Feel invited to partner with Logistik Center Austria Süd for efficient solutions on 160 hectares of prime real estate. Carinthia isn't just about logistics, it's about extending the talent pool far beyond the usual limits. It's a journey into a green, healthy, and beautiful future of transportation.
Nothing gonna hold you back when you got it like that.